Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a Leap card. This smart card is your key to convenient and discounted travel on public transport throughout Ireland. It's a reusable plastic card that simplifies paying for buses, trams, and trains. You can save up to 31% on fares compared to using cash. To get started, you'll need a €5 refundable deposit for the card itself, plus a minimum initial top-up of €5 travel credit. Acquiring your Leap card is straightforward with several options available. You can easily purchase adult and child cards at over 2,000 retail outlets across the country. Look for post-point signs, visit any post office, or use selected ticket machines at Irish rail stations in Dublin. For personalized cards, such as those for students or young adults, you'll need to apply online, as these require a photo and will be delivered to your address. Once you have your Leap card, managing it is simple. Registering your card online is highly recommended. It protects your balance if the card is lost or stolen and allows for refunds. To add funds, download the free Leap Top-Up app for NFC-enabled smartphones, which lets you instantly add credit. Alternatively, you can top up at over 2,000 retail agents, any post office, or at ticket machines found at Luas and Irish rail stations. Using your Leap card for travel is easy and efficient. Remember to tap on when you board a bus, and for DART, train, or tram services, you must tap on at the start and tap off at the end of your journey. A key benefit is fare capping, which limits your daily and weekly spending. You also get the TFI 90-minute fare, allowing unlimited transfers across different services within a 90-minute window for a single fare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.